Welcome back to the garage. Today I'm just gonna do a quick video and I just want to show you guys the difference between my old exhaust and the exhaust that I just put on there. Just a little sound comparison so you can get an idea of what I was running with and what it sounds like now. Obviously the audio on the camera isn't going to do justice to how beautiful it sounds. If you haven't checked out the video where I install the exhaust, make sure to check that out. So here's a little sound comparison, a little before and after for you guys to listen to. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, but make sure to check out those videos where I install the exhaust and where I install the headers. It sounds beautiful. If you are coming to Super Celebration, you can hear it for yourself in person. All right, guys, talk to you later.